Hello everybody, my name is Jake, and today we are, this is the first episode of Bee Swarm Simulator Advice, and today we are going to be starting off for beginners, and what they should know about Bee Swarm Simulator. So this is the new character. I named him Byeeee01, Byeeee01, or 10, whatever. Anyway, today we are going to be finding some ways to upgrade your bees and how to get bees. So, what you want to do to get honey, easy by the way, this first thing, should you join the group? Is it worth it? As a beginner, yes, it is worth it, because it can make you fast and it gives you a lot of honey to buy more eggs or stuff in there. So, I recommend joining the group. We are going to start off with Easter eggs. So, what was just happening was that thing over there, in the distance, that giant wand thing that's blowing out bubbles, that grows a face and it shoots things everywhere. These orbs everywhere. So make sure to, wherever they land, it turns green, it sparkles, make sure to get that, because that's really good for you. It gets you, like honey and stuff, yeah. But right here is the spot I recommend to be digging in, because this sunflower grows a face, and he does the same thing, but it's always in this area. It doesn't like shoot out everywhere. It's always in here, and it's only this sunflower. So, that's my first tip of where you should be going, unless you have a quest and you have to do it somewhere else. But if you don't have a quest, I recommend you just stay in this little area. Okay, now this is going to be a how-to part on how to do certain things. Now, I'm doing this, probably a lot of you already know, even if you are a beginner, but I have seen so many people who have been asking this question to me, so I just had to put it in here. To make honey, press E. Or, if you're on a phone or anything, just click up here, or whatever. Now let's say you've been working up for something for so long and you want to get an egg. I think it's pretty obvious how to get an egg. You go over here, get this, then buy it. Then you receive an egg. Now the way to put it in your hive, press at the top left, basic egg, and put it wherever there's green spaces. I will put mine here. And look, I got a basic bee. I feel so proud. I have 3 bees now. I feel so proud of myself because I did that. Another thing you should really do if you want to get more honey, because it takes a while to get honey in this game, is do the quests. Because if you do the quests, you have to do, look, I just got 500 honey from that. And this bear, the black bear, he actually sometimes gives you the eggs. But he is going to give me a silver egg, which is very good. Now I'm going to be showing you the royal jelly spots. The first spot that I found is up here. What you do is do all this parkour. Then you get a royal jelly. If you don't know what a royal jelly is, I will show you. So what a royal jelly is, if you go to the top left, again you have a royal jelly. So what you can do is put it on any bee you have that you want to upgrade. So transform basic bee, yes. Look at that, I got a rascal bee, a red rare, a mischievous bee who moves quick and hits hard. Keep an eye out for this one. Honestly, I don't really like the rascal bee. It says it's rare, but, well, it's not really that rare. I mean, everything is rare except for this bee. So, yeah. And a tip on making honey, don't stand all the way back. Because if you stand all the way back, they're going to have to take a long time, to go back and forth. But stand close to here. So they don't have to go that far. It works. It really does work. Sometimes it doesn't work, like maybe you go too far or it just doesn't work sometimes, but it works for me sometimes. Because that's a time saver one right there. Yeah. The second spot is Noah's, not under the table. It's actually up there. Can you kind of see? Right there? Something spinning. I will show you how. See this club dispenser? Well, what you have to do, jump behind it, and then you'll see this little gap here. Jump in here, and more parkour. I failed on this a few times. Oh, and I just did it again. Well, yeah, anyway, you just do that parkour, and you will get what you want. When I played this game for the first time, I really wanted something bad, and that was the royal jelly on top of there that you can barely even see from here. Okay, bad angle. Okay, right there is the royal jelly that I wanted so bad. Here's the little tip. No, you cannot parkour. I mean, I think that jump is impossible. I mean, yeah, so you can't really get that one. It's really far away. I think that's all the royal jellies down here. There's a royal jelly dispenser there, and up there. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so to get this thing, it's pretty annoying at first, because I took forever to figure it out. Don't jump on this. That doesn't work. Don't try to jump on his head. That doesn't work either. But, as you can see, there's a little gap here. What you have to do is have the speed times 10, jump over, and that is all yours. Another thing you don't want to do is, if you're far away from your hive and you know if you reset you'll spawn back there, and then you can just put your stuff in there. Like you have a bunch of honey, pollen. I don't really have that much. Then you reset, and we're gonna go back, and we're gonna put our pollen in. So let's go, and let's wait. We don't have any pollen. I wonder why. So don't reset with pollen. Just walk. Are you scared of fighting bugs? Well, I have the thing just for you. So when you go over here, this is easy. So when there's a ladybug, you can just hide behind this and it can't get past. You're safe. And then your bees can just kill it. And look, I got a treat. If you don't know how to do a treat, it's the exact same with a royal jelly, except it just uppers your relationship with your bee. I'm going to do it with my bumblebee because he's an epic. And right here, give treat to Bumblebee. And look, my bond increased. So, yeah, that's cool. Anyway, guys, I think that's all for this time. If you want me to focus on anything next time, leave it in the comments on what you want to know so I can help you out. Because I like helping out people, and this video is just for starters on how to get things done. Oh, one more thing. I recommend you get these, than these, because it fills it up, like, way too fast. So, like, you can get this, then get the rake. Don't get the rake, then this, because you're going to have to keep going back and forth. So, yeah, that's my little tip. Accidentally paused on you guys. I keep running in class. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. Maybe even share it with some other people, because, yeah, that'd be cool. And I will see you guys in the next video. Also, a tip for real life. Don't record when you feel sick.